Ordering a framed print is easy. From your gallery, click on the main shop icon at the top of the gallery to access your full shop. You may have framed prints or matted frames to choose from. The framed prints feature a printed white border option around the image, and the matted frames feature an actual matte board around the image. Select either product, then choose your desired frame size, print size to go inside the frame, print orientation, and frame color. In the photo tray, select which photo you want for the frame. Click the My Favorites tab to filter only your favorited photos. After you've selected your image, you can click on it in the frame to adjust the cropping. On the right-hand side, click Save for Later to add the product to your saved designs. These can be accessed by clicking on the clipboard icon. Click Add to Cart to add the images to your shopping cart. You may be prompted to create a customer account to save the items in your shopping cart, so you can easily come back to work on your order later on. Click Continue Shopping or proceed to checkout. At checkout, view the estimated delivery date, add your shipping and billing address, and any coupon codes. Then click Continue to proceed to payment and complete your order.